Thank you all for being here for the tuna melt taste test. Hi guys, welcome to what I eat in a week, few days really, not a week. Today is Thursday. I'm making breakfast right now, well, breakfast brunch. Sometimes I eat breakfast kind of late, so we're gonna call this brunch. I had this idea in my head last night because I really wanted like banana bread, but I didn't have any ripe bananas. But I did have some sweet potatoes that needed to be used, so I was like, maybe I could make like a sweet potato bread instead, but then I didn't have chocolate chips. And I didn't want to go to the store. So I was like, okay, let me just see what I can do for breakfast. So I'm doing like a sweet potato waffle situation. I have some sweet potatoes here that I just boiled. They're nice and soft and they're cooled down now. So I'm going to mash that up and combine it with all the other stuff for my waffles, and we're going to try to make that. So that's the first recipe of today. How cute is this little waffle maker? So cute, tiny! So for lunch, I'm having this salad, quinoa, chickpeas, edamame, peppers, onions, and I just added some spinach and arugula. It's good. I'm going to eat it, but it's not exactly what I wanted. I was supposed to have soup for lunch because I made a soup yesterday, but I woke up this morning and there was none left. So someone got into it last night. That's all I'll say. So I have 3 carrots here, half of a white onion, some leeks, just because I had it. This isn't really traditional for this recipe, but I figured I would use it. I chopped up 1 russet potato, and then I have some garlic here. So I'm gonna get this all into the pan. I realized that I don't have any olive oil, which is like kind of unfortunate. I have a little bit of butter left, so I'm gonna use that. This is the matcha from the Cabra. I've been wanting to try it because one of my favorite YouTuber girlies says that it's one of the best matchas that she's had in New York, so I want to try like something real. I've really only had Trader Joe's matcha and like a couple other ones, so I want to see if it's worth it. I'm filming in a random alley right now. It's good. Very tasty. So I just got out. It was actually so fun. I met some like really cool people and like girls my age, which was fun. I definitely feel like I need to do more events in the city. Just because like when you live here and you pay rent and you do all the things, it's like you gotta really take advantage of all the opportunities you can get. It's like never putting you at a disadvantage to network and to meet new people. So I'm happy about that. It was really fun. And it always inspires me and gives me new ideas of things that I want to do and work on. Now I'm going to see if this place has a vegan slice I can get, because I'm a little hungry. This is the buffalo chicken pizza. I love buffalo chicken pizza, so I knew that would be good. This one, I wasn't too hyped to try because I never really liked pepperoni pizza, but the guy really said that it was his best seller. The pepperoni is really good. Oh, because it's pepperoni and chorizo on one. I'm happy I went with this one. He said that one of the pizza guys there has been vegan for 15 years. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Tomatoes, onions, sweet potatoes, and then green onion. Kimchi here because I'm obsessed with kimchi. I have an avocado. I'm surprised it's still green because it was in my fridge for a couple days. And I have a few more of my sweet potato waffles here. One of the things I look forward to most in the morning is my lime water. Let's try this. I say that as I haven't had this a million times in my life. It's way past the time of lunch. I need to eat something. I'm shaking from all the coffee that I had. So we're gonna make a little tuna melt sandwich. And I've readjusted my hair like 40 times today, so let me see. Let me check the mirror. Okay, it will have to do. I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. I've kind of been at my desk all day, so this is only how much water I drank today. And basically like 1.5 to 2 cups of coffee, so I need to drink this. Let's chug it. Okay, this is what's going into the tuna melt. It's going to be really easy. Bread, plant-based tuna. This is the Franklin Farms one. I have this Good Planet smoked Gouda, olive oil cheese, pickles, onion, 1 cucumber, arugula, not mayo, vegan mayo. So, come on, let's get into it. I'm going to start by toasting my bread with cheese on top. So I'm doing 2 slices of this. Maybe we'll get crazy and do 3. Oh, there's only 1 more, so we might as well do 4. Now, the guests are arriving. Yum. Thank you all for being here for the tuna melt taste test. This with 4 slices of cheese I think is better because it's more gooey and soft. The tuna is great with the pickles, of course, and all the toppings. And the arugula adds like a nice flavor. So this is very good and very easy. This is my dinner. Let's try it. Chickpeas, peas, broccoli, tomato, red onion, tomato sauce, nutritional yeast. And that's it. Good morning, guys. What is the best matcha in Hoboken? It's like 32 degrees right now, but I think if I bundle up, the fresh air is gonna feel good. It's pretty good.